All right, welcome back to Motech Performance. Behind the camera is Jay and I'm Mike. Today we're going to be talking about these. These are front springs only at the minute. This is what we currently do on the G80 M3s. Eibach offer just a front pair of springs. We're going to probably put some pictures up now of other G80s we've done. This one's a little bit different. This is an xDrive car. You can't actually fit rear wheel drive springs on an xDrive. Well, actually you can. They'll physically fit, but there is 50 kilograms difference in axle weights. That means obviously it's total weight it can take. So you can imagine 50 kilograms is close to 8 stone. So that's a big difference between an xDrive and a rear-wheel drive car. So Eibach have kindly sent us these. These are prototype development springs from Germany for the xDrive. So like I say, drop-wise about 20 mil. It should equal the same as the normal Eibach kit, but we need to get them fitted to see what they look like. So yet again, on their kit, it's just 2 front springs because the rear, looking at it, is pretty good. Now Ian's kindly lent us his car. He's an existing customer. We had this car through the detailing bay. We put our M Performance style front spoiler onto it. It's already got drop-in panel filters and spacers already on. So next job is to get these fitted, get some ride heights across and see what it looks like once they're done. Right, so as you can see, we just took the car for a really quick road test. Going to go back to the customer. The customer's local, so we'll have some feedback. Initial thoughts, obviously, I ran the Eibachs on my M4 and they drove like factory. Yet again, this does the same thing. So it's just the front springs we changed out. It's about to, so far, it's been about 15 mil drop. The car will go slightly lower, but it has literally probably only done 2 miles. As you can see, it really just sets it off. It now looks more complete, more factory, more sort of sunken, swollen over the arches. So it's really good kit. We are going to be waiting for the H&R to be coming in as well. They will be doing a lower kit as well, but this is all about the Eibach. Ian's a very particular customer, wanted to be very factory plus. Eibachs have nailed it. So with the drive, perfect. xDrive system, yet again, springs just perfect on it. 10 and 12 mil spacers onto this. And also while I was in the air, we had our M Performance style front fitted to it. We just added the rubber sort of scratch guards because the car's slightly low, it's got a bit of a steep driveway. Just better to protect the carbon. So overall, if you've got an xDrive, get in contact, springs are on their way. For more information, please just comment down below and we'll go from there. Thanks a lot.